Looking to upgrade your outdoor space in 2026? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best louvered pergolas that combine style, durability, and all-weather performance. Whether you're searching for motorized pergola, adjustable louvers, or the perfect backyard retreat, we've researched the top-rated options to help you choose the right one. Stay tuned to discover which pergola deserves a spot in your outdoor oasis. Number 5. Rounding out our list is the WmCorner by 12 Louvered Pergola, a stylish and practical outdoor structure designed to bring comfort and elegance to your patio, deck, or backyard. With its sleek gray finish and premium all-aluminum construction, this pergola offers a modern appearance while delivering impressive durability for year-round use. Unlike many competing models that combine steel and aluminum, the WmCorner features a 100% aluminum frame and roof, providing excellent resistance against rust, corrosion, and weather-related wear. Its lightweight yet sturdy design offers a premium feel while requiring minimal maintenance over time. A standout feature is the dual-independent adjustable louvered roof system. With separate controls for each section, you can easily customize the amount of sunlight, shade, and airflow to suit changing weather conditions or different activities. Whether you're hosting a family barbecue, enjoying an outdoor meal, or relaxing with a good book, this pergola adapts to your needs effortlessly. The included privacy curtains and breathable mesh netting add another layer of functionality by providing shade, insect protection, and a more intimate outdoor atmosphere. Meanwhile, the integrated drainage system efficiently channels rainwater through the support posts to prevent pooling and keep the area underneath dry. Customers consistently praise the pergola's solid construction, attractive finish, and straightforward assembly process. Many were pleasantly surprised by the quality, especially considering the competitive price. If you're looking for a durable, versatile, and value-packed pergola in 2026, the WmCorner Louvered Pergola is an excellent choice. Number 4. The WmCorner by 12 Louvered Pergola is an outstanding option for anyone looking to create a comfortable and versatile outdoor living space. Combining the openness of a pergola with the protection of a gazebo, this modern dark gray structure delivers impressive functionality, durability, and style. One of its biggest highlights is the dual-independent louvered roof system. Using sturdy hand cranks designed to withstand over 100,000 rotations, you can easily adjust each roof section separately to control sunlight, airflow, and shade. Whether you want to soak up the sunshine, create partial shade, or completely close the louvers for weather protection, the WmCorner adapts to your needs in seconds. Built with a heavy-duty powder-coated steel and aluminum frame, this pergola offers excellent resistance against rust, fading, and harsh weather conditions. It can withstand winds up to 80 miles per hour, making it a dependable year-round addition to your patio or deck. The integrated drainage system efficiently channels rainwater through the frame and support posts, helping keep the area below dry and drip-free. Another standout feature is the included waterproof curtains and mosquito netting, providing privacy and protection from insects without sacrificing comfort. Customers rave about its durability, easy assembly, and exceptional value. Many reported enjoying everything from outdoor dining and movie nights to relaxing with family and friends under its shelter. If you're searching for a stylish, weather-resistant pergola in 2026, the WmCorner Louvered Pergola is a fantastic choice that truly enhances outdoor living. Number 3. The Aliexpress 12 by 16 feet Louvered Pergola is an excellent choice for homeowners looking to create a stylish and functional outdoor retreat without compromising on durability. Featuring a sleek gray finish and modern design, this hardtop gazebo instantly enhances the look of any patio, deck, or backyard gathering space. Constructed from premium all-aluminum materials, this pergola is built to withstand the elements year-round. Unlike models that combine different metals, Aliexpress uses heavy-duty, rust-resistant aluminum throughout the entire structure, offering superior protection against UV rays, corrosion, rain, and even snow. The reinforced frame contains 30% more aluminum than many standard pergolas, allowing it to withstand winds exceeding 72 miles per hour while maintaining exceptional stability. One of its most impressive features is the adjustable louvered roof. With a smooth hand crank, you can easily tilt the louvers from 0 to 90 degrees to create full shade, increase airflow, enjoy the sunshine, or even stargaze at night. The hidden integrated drainage system efficiently channels rainwater through the support columns, preventing leaks and standing water. Customers have praised the pergola's sturdy construction and straightforward assembly process, with some completing installation in as little as 3 hours. Reviewers also loved how the adjustable roof transformed their outdoor spaces, adding both beauty and practicality. If you're seeking a durable, weather-resistant, and versatile pergola in 2026, the Aliexpress Louvered Pergola is a fantastic value-packed option worth considering. Number 2. Next up is the Mirador 111S Round Louvered Pergola Gazebo, a stylish and functional addition that can completely transform your outdoor living space. Measuring 10 by 13 feet, this pergola combines modern design with durable construction, making it a standout choice for homeowners seeking both elegance and performance. What immediately sets the Mirador 111S apart is its distinctive rounded pillar design. The powder-coated aluminum frame delivers a sleek, high-end appearance, while the galvanized steel louvered roof is engineered to withstand winds up to 70 miles per hour. The adjustable louvers can tilt from 0 to 90 degrees, allowing you to control sunlight, airflow, and protection from light rain with ease. Another impressive feature is the patented integrated drainage system, which channels rainwater through the columns and out through the base of the pillars. This thoughtful design helps keep the space underneath dry and comfortable. Customers consistently praise the pergola's exceptional build quality and surprisingly straightforward assembly process. Many reported that with 4 adults and basic tools, setup took just a few hours. Owners also loved how the adjustable roof expanded the usability of their patios in different weather conditions. The charcoal finish adds a sophisticated touch that complements a variety of outdoor styles. If you're looking for a durable, elegant, and versatile pergola in 2026, the Mirador 111S is a fantastic investment that delivers impressive value and functionality. Number 1. Coming in on our list is the Purple Leaf 11 feet by 23 feet Louvered Pergola, a premium outdoor structure designed to elevate any backyard, patio, or garden space. With its sleek bronze finish and modern aluminum construction, this pergola delivers both style and functionality. One of its standout features is the 4 independently adjustable louvered roof zones, giving you complete control over sunlight and ventilation across an impressive 253 square feet of coverage. Whether you're hosting guests, enjoying family dinners, or simply relaxing outdoors, you can easily customize the amount of shade throughout the day. Built with a 4.5-inch wide aluminum frame, which is 15% wider than many competing models, this pergola offers exceptional stability. The reinforced design withstands winds up to 70 miles per hour and supports snowfall up to 2.4 inches, making it suitable for year-round outdoor use. An integrated drainage system channels rainwater away efficiently, helping keep the area underneath dry and comfortable. Customer feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. Buyers praise the outstanding packaging, timely delivery, and responsive customer service from Purple Leaf. Many noted that the quality exceeded similar options found at major home improvement stores while offering better value. Users also appreciated the smooth operating louvers and elegant bronze appearance that enhance the look of their outdoor spaces. If you're looking for a durable, stylish, and versatile pergola in 2026, the Purple Leaf Louvered Pergola is an excellent investment. That's our countdown of the top 5 best louvered pergolas in 2026. We hope this review helped you find the perfect pergola to transform your backyard into a stylish and comfortable outdoor retreat. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews and buying guides. Let us know in the comments which pergola was your favorite, or if you've tried any of these models. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.